guys!
Okay, can you say Arabic?
Arabic.
Makeup.
Makeup.
Okay. Arabic makeup.
Arabic and makeup.
Say Mommy birthday. Mommy birthday.
You're the one.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel! I was supposed to only make the brow tutorial as voted, but I couldn't disappoint you guys, so I made the Arabic look as well. As usual, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and tell me what you think by leaving a comment. Let's get started! I'm gonna start with the P. Louise eye base in number 4. Gently apply it all over my eyelids. And the best way to apply this is in a tapping motion, that way it blends and sets at the same time. This tutorial I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette remastered, and I'm going to start with the eyeshadow Sandalwood, applying it all over my crease. So I like to start with tapping it all over the outer V and gently blending it outwards towards the crease. It's going to be my transition color, and it's going to map out the shape of the eye look. Then I'm going to build the eyeshadow henna in the outer V to deepen and define the shape of my eyes, because we want to achieve that very almond eye shape. We're just gonna keep building and blending the colors outwards to give that tapered and winged out smokiness. Then I'm gonna add the eyeshadow Man Eater, and this is gonna add warmth to the whole look because we're gonna add a black eyeshadow later. Again, just by tapping and building the colors in the outer V and gently blending it outwards towards the crease, but not so much that you take away the gradient effect. Then I'm building the color Black Truffle in the outer V, but just very close to the lash line. And then I intensify that by using a flat eyeshadow brush because we really want to achieve that depth in the outer V of the eyes. You can use a clean blending brush to blend everything together. Otherwise, you can just not go too far with the black eyeshadow. With the same eyeshadow base, I'm gonna cut the crease halfway, but this is only gonna be kind of like a semi-soft cut crease. Then on top of that, I'm gonna tap over the 24K Shimmery Gold eyeshadow using the same concealer brush that I applied the base with. Then I'm just blending in the gold shimmer shadow with the black smoky shadow. So we're now gonna smoke out the lower lash line with Man Eater and smoke it out and connect it above using a detailer brush, and then also intensifying that with the black eyeshadow. Because this is an Arabic look, the look is really mainly focused on intense black eyeliner, tight lining, and wing liner. As you can see, I was tight lining my inner waterline before starting with my wing liner. So here I'm using a black gel liner. I start with a black gel liner because I do have a little bit of, not really, a lot of wrinkliness in my eyelid. So that's gonna give me a nice base when I start to put my liquid eyeliner. Because it is a gel liner, it's gonna give me a smooth surface for my liquid eyeliner, so it looks more straight and neat. So the gel liner provided me an outline for my wing liner, so Later on, I can just intensify it using a liquid liner because I really want to show the contrast between the eyeliner and the smokiness. If you guys want a separate tutorial on eyeliners, please do let me know. So in this look, the eyeliner looks more straight, not curvy, which really defines and elongates my round eyes. That way, I was able to achieve an almond-shaped eye. So then I start to put my mascara and apply a black eyeliner inside the lower waterline to intensify the look even more. And on top of that, using a detailer brush, I'm gonna smudge in the black truffle eyeshadow to intensify and really set in the black eyeliner. Once I'm done, I start to clean out and sharpen the eyeliner using an eye cream or a primer, which is a very nice eyeliner trick if you've already done your foundation. Then I put on my lashes and finish that off with mascara. Because what is an Arabic makeup look without lots of mascara and lashes? So here I clean out even further with concealer under the eyes, which makes the look even more clean and intense, and also gives a lot of lift in my eyes. And that way it gives a lot of focus and attention in the eye area. So with this look, you want a lot of coverage and definition in the skin. And you can do also a lot of sculpting and bronzing because it also adds a lot of drama and sultriness to the overall look. And you want to set that all in with a translucent powder. I did also use a finishing powder on top to set it all in and give me a matte finish. I really like to look bronze and tan, so I'm using a bronzer to bronze me up and also kind of give me a soft contour. Because I already did use a little bit of creamy contour. And then I just apply a subtle amount of blush all over the cheeks because the main focus is the eyes. So here I'm just kind of finishing off the under eyes with some powder. Then I move on to highlighter. So I layer on the highlighter first, the bronzy one, and then the shimmery gold one. Because somehow I also do want to look like a glazed donut. I also like to apply a little bit of that highlighter in my cheek area because it gives a little bit of softness and extra dewiness effect. And when you take pictures, it really gives an illusion of very soft skin. And finally, we're gonna move on to lips. So I'm just outlining my lips and filling it all over. Because this is a smoky eye look, we want to go easy on the lips, so I'm going to use a nude lipstick. This way there's still a little bit of drama, but the lip still looks nice and juicy. So in this look, I'm going to be using the Sunny's Face Fluff Matte Lipstick in the Nudist. Forgot the inner corner highlight, which is really important because it really opens up your eyes and adds a little bit of drama. And lastly, shower myself with a little bit of fixing spray. So there you have it, you guys. This is my take on Arabic makeup look, and this is how I do it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit subscribe and click the bell button so that you will be notified on my next video. For suggestions or violent reactions, comment down below. And remember, be kind to one another and be beautiful inside and out. Till next time. Mommy, pretty.
Mommy, pretty.
You smile, baby? Okay, again. Mommy, pretty.
Mommy, pretty.
Aww. Again. Okay. What's the?
Do that one.
Say, Mommy, pretty.
Mommy, pretty.
Aww. What's that?
I need know.
You don't know.
I don't know.
You don't know me?
It's funny down on mouth.
Oh.
Funny down mouth.
Falling down the Bye.
Bye, mouth.
Okay, say bye.
I'm not friends.
Oh.
Push a button.
Push a button. Thumbs up. Do, honey. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, thumbs up. Show me your thumbs up. Okay.
The monkey.
Bye.
Bye.
Once again, bye guys.